The Loyal Tiger heavy-duty dolly set gives you a complete moving kit with multiple dollies, a lifting bar, spacers, non-slip pads, gloves, and a storage bag, so you are ready for almost any household or shop move. Each small platform handles roughly 500 pounds on its own, and together they support very heavy furniture or appliances without flexing or feeling unstable. The five-wheel layout with a central stabilizing caster and raised edges around the platform keeps loads balanced and helps prevent pieces from sliding off while you push. Using the included lever bar to lift corners means one person can reposition large items with far less strain, which is especially helpful during cleaning or remodeling work. The swiveling casters roll quietly and smoothly on hard floors and short pile carpet while being gentle enough not to leave marks or scratches behind. Thickened steel construction and double bearing wheels make the set feel durable and dependable for repeated use rather than a one-time moving gadget.